Letter H. Come, let's learn the words that begin with letter H. So, let's get started. This is a capital H and this is small h, and the sound of letter H is H. H. Now let's see the words. H for hut. 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 H for helicopter. 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 H for hen. 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 H for hat. 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 H for horse. 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 H for hammer. 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 H for hospital. 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 H for honey. 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 H for hand. 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 H for hand, hen, hut, hat, hammer, horse, hospital, honey. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.